Hey, let me ask you something. What if we could beam electricity through thin air? No wires, no power lines, just pure energy shooting across miles. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, DARPA, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, has just turned that fiction into fact. They call it the POWER program, short for Persistent Optical Wireless Energy Relay. The idea? Replace old-school power lines with laser beams, sending energy wherever it's needed, whenever it's needed. And trust me, the results they're getting are jaw-dropping. Just last month, DARPA smashed their own records by transmitting over 800 watts of power. Enough to run a fridge, some lights, or even an RV. Over 5.3 miles, that's 8.6 kilometers in case you're keeping score. And to prove it wasn't just a lab trick, they used the beam to pop popcorn at the receiving end. If you've seen the 1985 movie Real Genius, you know how awesome that is. So how does this magic happen? It's all about the receiver tech. DARPA's team built what's called the Power Receiver Array Demo, or PRAD. It's a super compact setup. A parabolic mirror focuses the incoming laser onto a bunch of photovoltaic cells. Those cells turn laser light into electricity, just like solar panels, but tuned for the laser's specific color. Now, at shorter distances, they're seeing just over 20% efficiency from laser to usable power. That means if you put 1,000 watts in, you get about 200 watts out. Over long distances it drops a bit, but DARPA isn't done tweaking yet. They want to scale it up, make it more efficient, and even beam energy vertically to things like drones or satellites. But why bother with all this? For the military, it's a game changer. Forget lugging batteries or fuel across dangerous terrain. With wireless power, troops could stay on the move, drones could fly longer, and field hospitals could set up anywhere. And it's not just for the military. Imagine sending instant power to disaster zones or remote villages with no grid at all. This could bring light, heat, and connectivity to places that need it most. Of course, there's still work to do. Right now, 800 watts is solid for small gear, but to power an entire base or a neighborhood? That's phase 2. DARPA's teaming up with tech companies and universities, and even holding an industry day to get more minds in the game. From Nikola Tesla's wild dreams to DARPA's laser reality, wireless power transmission is finally stepping out of the lab and into the real world. It's not hype, it's happening, and it might just change the way we think about energy forever. So, next time you flip a light switch, imagine a future where electricity doesn't just travel on wires, but rides on beams of light. Wild, right? If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more engineering tips every week.